Hey guys, we're up with another unit and it is life. That's right, life is finally here. And yes, I had to include the board game because apparently I was the only one that wasn't really happy when they got twin girls. Now that makes me kind of shudder a little bit inside. But anyways, this unit we're going to learn about life and those Goldilocks conditions that actually allowed for life on Earth to appear. We're going to look at kind of the most important turning points in the history of life on Earth because there were multiple, and we're going to kind of dissect those, no pun intended, and kind of look at what are those like mini thresholds. We're also going to look at the idea of increasing complexity within our organisms, and we're going to look at the idea of the biosphere as well. As usual, I have everything posted for here. Our driving question for this unit is how and why do theories evolve? Again, no pun intended. No? Okay, apparently it's just me. And then our learning outcomes as well. So these are the things that we will be tackling. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I really look forward to finally getting into some actual life with you guys here on Earth. Thank you.